Hi everyone, my name is Cherry. Welcome to my channel Grooming with Cherry. Today my topic is entrepreneurship versus job. Yes, friends, you want to become an entrepreneurship after engineering, after medical, or after MBA, or any after graduation, anything, any degree. Okay, degree, just remember, is just only the get pass. It's if you take a degree from ISB also, from IIM also, okay, that is only you have to exchange the thoughts. It's only the get pass. It will not give you bread and butter. Yeah, you may get a campus job or somewhere, you made a job, but that will earn for a limited. Okay, but if you become an entrepreneurship, so ladies and gentlemen, friends, always you have your mind, you program in your mind that to become an entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship is beyond business that people used to do normal business. Entrepreneurship is the value of ideas. Yes, you have to sell your ideas. Whatever idea you have in your mind, that you have to run it through the help of technology, latest technology, and you have to build a platform where you can sell your products, sell your thoughts. That's entrepreneurship. What exactly, how it happens? You have some thought in your mind, because there are many unorganized sector today. Still there is a huge gap. Okay, there is a huge solution to be sold. There are a lot of solutions to be sold. Let for example how Ola is doing. Okay, how Flipkart is doing. Okay, how Urban Clap is doing. Okay, let for example, first thing you should always remember, you should always have some technical skills. You should always learn some technical skills. Okay, that skill will give you bread and butter. Initial period after having a graduations from any field, from management, from engineering, from anywhere, if you want to do a job, yes, you do it for a couple of years, 2 years, or max 5 years. Once you do it, see, whatever field, whatever vertical, or whatever geography, in spite of everything, whatever domain you are expert, okay, mind it, whatever domain you are expert, you may be expert in banking, you may feel that I may do very good in banking, you may feel that I may very good in manufacturing industries, I am very good in e-commerce industries. Oh, okay, I am very good at skills like beauty parlors, okay, um, hair designing. I am very good in teaching. Okay, I am very good in making beautiful recipes. Okay, so whatever you are good, whatever you are good, mind it, don't do things which are not good for you. Whatever you are good, in which team, you may be very good at cooking, you may be very good in e-commerce business, you may be very good in you have a talent in uh, hair designing. Okay, you may have very good talent in doing makeup, you may have very good talent in technology. Okay, anything. If you have that, think in that way, that how can you make big, how can you make this as a business. Okay, initially, business entrepreneurship doesn't require so much of capital, ladies and gentlemen. You should have very good ideas. Okay, how we can convert that idea into a business. You can, because for this reasons, government is starting a lot of startups, government is helping a lot of startups. Okay, so you can register yourself as a startup and you can start your business. Government will help you initially. And one thing you required in this, that initially if you want to do job, do for a couple of years, whatever field, whatever domain you are expert, do the job in that domain, so that it will give you experience. Okay, if you are good in e-commerce, you want to do business in e-commerce, so you try to get a job in e-commerce, so that you will get an experience on that. Okay, couple of years or 5 years you work, then you, in that stage, you try to develop your entrepreneurship skills, how to get it, how to make the business. Okay, you may get some training from different institutes, okay, from to get an entrepreneurship skill, how to do a business, where we get the capital and all those things. See here, don't invest so much of capitals, don't take loans and all those things. You do whatever you have with you. Okay, just if you still want some capital, just take little bit, don't take so much, don't take risk. Okay, risks, you see, somebody, everybody say that you have to take risks in the market to get yourself grow. That's correct, but you don't take risk. My personal experience, don't take risks, do it in limited phase, scale up and grow it. Okay, entrepreneurship skills, if you have, you if you have ideas, okay, you should think something different. How can you give value to your customers? Okay, how can you give value to your clients? Okay, so think on that way, that how I will be different in the market. Think in different. Suppose, let for example, you always try to capture, guys, you always try to capture the middle segment of the market and lower middle segment of the market, because there are vast market here. Let for example, in beauty parlor, okay, hair designing, it has not reached the lower middle class section, because lower middle class, they don't go to parlors, they don't have a capacity to go to parlors and have their good hair designing and all those things. Why don't you go there, take some minimum amount, or take a subscription for a year? So that you have to mind it one thing, you have to grab the customers. Once you grab the customers, then the business is yours. Only thing that value added to the customer, you give some value, try to capture the middle and lower middle market. In business, if you see the entire life story of the main big businessman, so they always try to capture the middle group, lower middle group. Even if today also lower middle group gaps are lot of gaps in lower middle group, people have not reached there. If you can reach, because 60 to 70% market is lower middle group. Yes, lower middle group and middle group, 60 to 70% market is there. Till there is a lot of gap, try to find out that gap, and whichever field domain you are expert, okay, try to find the gap in the market as an individual. Yeah, this is the gap, find that gap, do that business. Okay, whatever you want, that business, and make that business in technology, by the help of technology, make it a platform, and you can grow up. Then finally you can scale up, scale up and scale up, just like for example how Oyo has done. Okay, Oyo owner Mr. Ritesh, how he has grown up. When he grew up, he thought that there are so many platforms are there for 5-star and 4-star hotel, but there is no platform for budget hotels. So he went to Delhi, he started tie up with some small hotel in Paharganj areas and all those. Then he started scale upping, and he captured the vast market. Now I think he's number one in India and pan world, something 4 5 rank he has in hotel industry, in hospitality industry. So that's the thinking you should have. Initially have a low, then it scale up, but don't take so much of loans. If you because company banks will give you so much of capital to grow up, because once you grow up and you cannot manage it, then finally you're getting fall it. Okay, so my one of the videos will be coming of that, why you don't want to take, so why you should not take so much capital. Okay, or you can take IPOs, okay, but you should not take so much of burden. Try to do small way, small way, you just start it, and after that you just scale it up. Okay, make it a certain thing. Then after that, if you have a very big customer hold, okay, if you have big data we need to, if you have as customers, if you don't want, you sell it. If you cannot run, you can sell it. You can sell it in 10 times the higher the market is. So guys, to become an entrepreneurship, one should be, one guy should be very good in sales and marketing. Okay, who want to start, one guy should be very good in technology. You take 2 to 3 person with you, including you, another 1 or 2 person. One should be based of technology. Okay, so creating the platforms, some 1 or 2 developer required, okay, under his team. And one more, one guy or 2 guys, one guy main, if you are a main guy, take one guy with you for the sales and marketing, 2 guys for sales and marketing, 2 guys, one guy for technology, 1 or 2 guys, just 3 to 4 guys is enough. Then you can start up. Okay, and make everything on share basis, don't give salaries, make it in shares. Okay, whatever tomorrow will gaining the business, then you get the shares, you will be getting the shares, your colleagues or friends will be getting the shares. Once your platform is ready, okay, if you have a very good uh, thoughts, then you will be getting easily investors also. Investor will be investing you. Okay, and if your thought is not so good also, you can start it and try it, you will definitely get success. You try to capture the unorganized market. Try to capture the middle and lower middle group market, you definitely get success. And if you want to do job, do it for couple of years or 5 years, have an experience, okay, in actual scenario, then you can. Or if you are already a business background, then you can start it from the beginning, because you will have, you will be having experience from your background itself. So there is no need of getting into jobs and all those things. Try to create job, don't do jobs. Okay, try to become an entrepreneurship. This is uh, what I'll suggest you guys, young guys, young friends, try to become an entrepreneurship, try to do something in your market. Okay, and struggle it for 1 or 2 years, you will definitely be success, 100% you will be success. So do not try to, I'll get a job, I'll success, I'll be sleeping, I'll be very fine, I'll saving some money, and all those middle class thought, don't think it. I'll be getting a job, I'll save something in the bank, I'll be having children's, I'll getting educated, and after that I'll saving some money in the bank, and I'll just help my children to grow up. All this thing will happen. You don't have to think so middle class. Don't think middle class. Always you have to think big. Try to become an entrepreneurship. Try to become a millionaire or billionaire. You will definitely success, guys. You will be 100% success. Yes. Sorry. Thank you.